Hi, I'm Anastasia Eden. I have been making plant-based recipes for over 27 years now. I'm a retreat chef and recipe developer here in the UK, and I'm also a recipe book author and produce online courses. But here on YouTube and on my website, I love to share easy, delicious, gluten-free vegan recipes that are designed for everyone to enjoy. So if you do like what you see here, please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I love it if you make a comment and let me know how you get on. Today in my kitchen, I have been making no-churn vegan blackberry ice cream. I've only added 3 other ingredients to blackberries: coconut milk, dates, and vanilla. I foraged the blackberries from my local nature reserve this morning. So let's go take a little peek and see how easy this was to make. So I've got some full fat coconut milk. It's about 50% coconut content. This is really important because we need the ice cream to be nice and rich and creamy, so don't skimp on the milk. And then I've got 1 cup, which is about 150 grams of chopped dates. You can also use whole pitted dates. If your dates aren't soft or your blender isn't really powerful, then what you want to do is soak your dates in the coconut milk for at least an hour. This makes them blendable and much softer. I'm actually using my NutriBullet blender, so I don't need to soak them. I'm just gonna put them straight in there. Then I've got 1 cup of freshly foraged blackberries. That's about 125 grams. In they go. And then I need to put the lid on tightly and then blend until creamy smooth. Again, if you don't have such a powerful blender, just blend it a bit extra. Next, I'm using a container and lining it with parchment paper. I'm actually using a glass loaf tin. You can use any container really. You don't even need to line it, although I do it out of habit. It's good to line it, however, if it's a plastic container or a metal container, if you're concerned about plastic or metal leaching into your ice cream. But that's totally up to you. So line it if you want, don't if you don't want to. Pour in your mixture once it's blended, pop it in the freezer and leave it for at least a few hours. When you take it out a few hours later, it's going to be really firm. So this bit is important. You need to leave it for up to half an hour at room temperature before it's scoopable. This is one thing that happens with no-churn ice cream, and this is going to take a little bit of patience, but it's really, really worth it. And then once it is nice and scoopable, up to about half an hour, then scoop it and serve and enjoy. I do hope that you enjoy this blackberry ice cream as much as we do here. Please do give it a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know how you get on in the comments. Come and check out my other resources and online courses. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing lots more recipes on this channel here. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.